Hello, this is Ian with DC Digital, and today we're going to be showcasing our DC-60C-2-Efficiency Sensory Grounded Production Counter Display. This order is going out to Alabama IND for the deaf and blind, which is a manufacturing for everyday goods such as mops, binders, papers, etc. What the customer aims to accomplish by using this product is they are going to keep a tally of the amount of goods and materials that are acceptable based on the planned amount, hence the efficiency at which the goods are made. How it works is the client sets the planned amount with the wired remote controller, and then the goods go through the area sensor, which increments the actual counter section of the enclosure, at which the efficiency section calculates the percentage difference between the planned and actual sections. So now I'm going to showcase the functions on how this unit is meant to work. So first things first, we're going to set how many things that we plan to ship out by today. So we do this by using our wired remote controller. We have increment, decrement, and reset to 0. So first things first, we're going to add a total of 25 products. So we do this by pressing the increment button. Okay, so now we have reached 26. I overshot it. So say I want to decrement a digit and decrease it by 1 digit. I want 25. So then in this case, you just press the decrement button, and you can keep pressing it down until you reach it to 0. But in this case, we just want to reach 25 planned products that we plan to ship out. So now I'm going to showcase our diffusive reflective area sensor, which detects objects up to 10 inches in front of it. So I'm going to just lift this thing up off the ground, and it will start detecting objects. And as you can see, as it's detecting objects in front of the area sensor as it's in motion, and that causes the actual section to increment. So as you can see, we have a total of 80% efficiency. And how it works is the efficiency calculates the difference between the actual amount and the planned amount that which we want. And this is how the customer will be able to detect the efficiency at which the goods are being produced. So now I want to reset these two sections back to 0. I want to reset the actual and efficiency section right back to 0. So in this case, we turn to our wired remote controller and we just press the big red button that has the 0 reset label nested at the top of the button. Just press on that button. And as you can see, the actual section and the efficiency section have been resetted back to 0. So going over the hardware aspect of this model, we have our aluminum tough fingerprint resistant black powder coated casing that is 29 inches wide, 24 inches tall, and 2 inches deep. Its display size is a 6-inch 55mm green LED digit that can be viewed up to a total of 300 feet. The number of digits for the planned and actual section are 4 digits that can count up to a total of 9,999. Meanwhile, our efficiency section has a total of 3 digits that displays a grand total of 200%. For its power type, we have 120 to 240 VAC 3-prong power cord that is 6 feet long. For mounting, we have 7 adjustable teardrop mounting tabs that can be located on the back on the top of the enclosure. And lastly, for accessories, we have our diffuse reflective area sensor for the actual input that causes the actual section to increment, and it comes with a 25 feet cord that is connected via a terminal block on the back side on the inside of the enclosure. And we also have our wired remote controller for setting the planned section, for incrementing and decrementing the planned section, and for resetting both the planned and actual setting. This is also connected via a 25-foot wire that is directly connected to a terminal block alongside the area reflective sensor. So again, this is Ian with DC Digital, demonstrating our DC-60C-2-Efficiency Sensory Grounded Efficiency Production Counter. Thanks for watching.